What's up, Loc Nation? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Kenyata here, and today I have another banger for you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this quick and easy, very cute curly ponytail with a hump. So if you'd like to see how it's done, keep on watching. So the first thing that you're going to do to start this style is create your sections. This style is very easy. We have two sections. We're going to start at the front of the head, right at the temple, and we're going to go back just a little, and then we're going to go over. Separate that hair just like this, okay? From the temple, going back, going straight over. From the temple, going back, going straight over. So we have our section here in the front, and we're just going to go ahead and put a rubber band on it. Now that we have our front portion in a section, we're going to go ahead and grab the rest of the hair and pull it back into a ponytail. And take a red pipe cleaner, the same color as the hair, and secure what this we're gonna do with this front portion that we sectioned out is we're gonna go ahead and place it on top of our ponytail. We have our section here that we sectioned out earlier and put a clear rubber band on. We're gonna take this front portion and just take it back, lay it right on top. There on the ponytail, we're just gonna lay it there. Just place it right there, okay? See how our old curls are creating a hump-like situation here in the front? That's why I love old curls, okay? Because they create beautiful styles. So that we're taking our old curls and we're creating a hump. Right. Once you take your front section and just place it right here on top of your ponytail, you want to go ahead and take your pipe cleaner and put it right on top and wrap it around from the front going to the back. We're going to take the pipe cleaner and twist it around the back. Give it a one twist, two twists. Okay? And we're just going to tuck this pipe cleaner here up into the ponytail, just like this. Once we secure our bang to our ponytail, we're going to go ahead and take two locks from this side, and we're going to take two locks from the other side. We're going to take these two sections and cross them, covering the pipe cleaner that we used to secure this. We're going to bring it down and under our ponytail right here. And bring it down under. Once you have those two sections secured under the bottom of the ponytail, we're going to go ahead and take two clear elastics and secure that. This section here underneath the ponytail, we can go ahead and let it down. And you can go ahead at this point and fix your ponytail how you want it to be. I have two small pins here, and I'm going to take one pin and just kind of play with my hump, okay? Just play with my hump a little and position it how I want it to be. See how this part is up a little? I want to go ahead and make it come down, so I'm going to take a pen and just stick it there to secure my hump the way I want it to be. And that's pretty cute. Now that we're here on the other side, I'm just gonna go ahead and play with my hump a little bit more here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my pen and stick it there. Okay, and there you have it. Play with your ponytail a little bit. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you think about this curly ponytail with a hump. Share this video wherever you share cool stuff. Your Instagram, your Facebook, your Twitter. Turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video from your girl. Hit the like button. Subscribe. Y'all know I rock with y'all a long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenyata here. Peace.